Alright, this is a 20-year crude chart. I'm going to first start by putting a retracement level from the 20-year lows into the highs. We can see here that at 42.89 we rebroke the 76.4, the last Fibonacci retracement in this 20-year pattern. We can also see that volume drops off substantially after this 42.89 price, with a null all the way down into what looks like 29 to 30, 31, somewhere in that range. Really all the way down into 28. If we draw a trend line here, we can also see that we're rejecting the backside of it right now. Here at price, just the high last week actually. So let's take it back out to the 20-year real quick. Let's just change this line so we know what it is. Alright, and then we'll also label this null. Okay, and last but not least, the bottom of the null. Alright, now we can go down into the 10-year week. And again, we can see the break here at the 42, at the 76.4 fib. And we can also see what looks to be a little channel here. Let's draw that on real quick. Let's do this. Alright, and let's clear this up a little bit. We'll just leave the 50 on it. Alright, so now we can see that channel just a little more clearly. We also see that price is rejecting the 50 here of that channel. It really looks like almost a head and shoulders pattern here with the left shoulder, with the 50 compressing it. It breaks here, forms the top of this channel, and then is now right back below that. We can also see that again that this trend line that we drew on the 20-year is rejecting price right at about the 49 to 50 area. It's rejected through there, and again now we're through the null, or into the null again. If price were to break below this channel, I would expect for it to move rather quickly down to test the bottom of the null area into the 30 range. What we could do to get a couple targets for downside would be something like this. We just draw a Fibonacci from the last bounce, and we'll change the color to, well, we've already got orange. We'll change the color to this light gray, and we don't need these. So we see the 161.8 of that actually comes in right here at the bottom of the null as well in the 39 range. The last bounce we had was here. We could do something like this just to test and see where this is as well, and we'll make this lovely shade of pink. Oh, there you go. So the 161.8 of that also seems to be in pretty close proximity to the bottom of that null. Let's check the 3-year, and we can maybe get a little closer. Alright, so yeah, here we are. It looks like 29.63, 29.87, and then the null there at 30. So if this channel were to break, that would definitely be my main target. I would think that we would get a pretty substantial bounce off the 30 range. If we do break through the 30s, then we would come down into this 22 to 25 area. If the channel does hold, and we are still assuming that the 30 range is the target, then that doesn't look like we hit that until August, September of next year, if we do maintain the channel, that is. So for now, I'm going to watch and see if price maintains underneath of this area where the fib and the top of the null is, and if it does, I'm going to be looking for a rotation first down to test this previous low at the 37.75 area.